Welcome to Navigating Data Director Assessments Overview. Today we will look at the Assessments app. To access the Assessments app, click on the app switcher in the top left-hand corner. Remember, this is their two-step click process to access the assessments. You can also use the icon in the bottom left-hand corner, the paper and pencil, that corresponds to the app switcher to access the same location. Click at the app switcher for the assessments. This is the Assessments window. Over to the left-hand side is a navigational menu that you will find similar throughout this entire Data Director system. Some of the options include some features that will be made available to you in future trainings. The primary part of our screen, Find Assessments, is where all assessment data that has either been created within Data Director or loaded into Data Director will be accessed and made available to you. There are two different views of the assessment window. One is a folder view, which we're currently looking at. A second view is a list view, switched by clicking on the link in the top right-hand corner. This simply takes away the folder view and allows you to use the filters in this window to search for the assessments that have been shared with you, no matter what folder they may be sitting in. Clicking again, switch to folder view, brings the folders back, and now we'll take a look at how these are organized. Let's take a look at the organization of the folder structure. First, you'll see Shared Assessments. By clicking on Shared Assessments, a window appears on the right-hand side that will list any assessments that have been created at your district by other users and then shared with you. This may give you access to additional subjects and/or grade levels that you do not teach. If this is the case, you can use the filter section up above to narrow down to your particular grade level in the grade level field. Selecting third grade will then remove all other grade levels available. Click search, and now we can see available third grade assessments that you have at your fingertips. You can further filter this down by subject if you so choose. Choosing the subject filter field above, click none, and then select your subject area, ELA Reading. Close the box, click search, and your filter field narrows down to just reading assessments. This again is the shared assessment folder where other users within your district have created assessments and shared with you. The next folder we'd like to look at is the personal folders. The personal folders contains any assessments that you yourself have created. They sit here until you have chosen to share these with other users. A copy remains in your personal folder, but copies will then also be shared to other users' shared assessments folder. Next, we'll take a look at the district level of folders that are located in the middle. You see the plus sign in the box to the left-hand side. Clicking that expands this folder system so that you can see the folders within folders. The school that you are associated with will be the one that is displayed. For example, we see Eagle College Prep. This may or may not be your school district, but you will see the one that you are a part of listed here. Then beneath that, you can see another plus sign at the Eagle College Prep level. And expanding that particular box will show you your specific school. For example, again, the Eagle College Prep Harmony location. Your specific school site will be displayed here that you are attached to. Below that then is a subject area set of folders, the ELA unit assessments, for example. There is a plus sign to the side of that, and expand that as well, and you will see another folder here which will contain additional assessments. If you select this particular ELA commoncore.org unit assessments, and if there is anything that has been shared with you, you will see that in this list. For example, we have the 2014-15 4th grade Unit 1 reading assessment. There are then also the NWEA and the state assessment folders that if there is any data available to you, when you click and highlight those particular folders, you will see those assessments. This concludes Navigating Data Director Assessments Overview.